Want to grow fast on YouTube, but have no idea which niche to pick? What if I told you there's a hidden niche getting over 3 million views every 30 days? With channels earning up to $14,000 a month. Let me show you how to create viral data comparison videos, the same style used by Data is Beautiful, and how you can do it completely faceless, even if you're starting from scratch. Data comparison videos are insanely addictive. Think, most popular websites from 2000 to 2025, best-selling music artists of each decade, top 10 YouTube channels by subscribers over time. People love to see rankings evolve over time, and these videos are incredibly bingeable. Stick around as I walk you step by step through how to make them, even if you're a complete beginner. Check out this quick example, a video comparing YouTube's top channels over the years. Notice how the stats move and shift? That's what keeps viewers hooked. And yes, you can make this yourself today. We're going to use a platform called aliensart.io, a powerful tool for creating animated data visualizations. Free trial available, templates ready to go, no editing experience needed. Here's a video I created comparing the 200 richest companies in the world by net worth, location, and more. Let's say you want to compare YouTube channels like PewDiePie versus Cocomelon from 2016 to 2025. It's easy. Just select a template, pull current data, and go. You don't even need to hunt for data yourself. AliensArt offers built-in stats on YouTube channels, GDP, life expectancy, cryptocurrency, and more. Want to compare the top 10 YouTube channels in 2025? Just click, filter, and go. Choose your chart style. I recommend the table chart race. Give your project a title, select subscribers, set it to monthly, and hit create. Boom. Now you've got animated charts from 2011 to 2025, all auto-generated. Want to make it more viewer-friendly? Set the duration to 4 minutes so people can follow the changes more easily. Mr. Beast topping the charts? No surprise. You can even change the background color, add music, and customize images. Perfect for keeping things visually interesting. Once you're happy, hit export and download your video, then upload it to YouTube with some trending music and a catchy title. Done. That's your first faceless, data-driven YouTube video ready to earn views. Want to use your own data? Upload CSV or Excel files and customize everything, from images to colors to categories. Use free templates, give credit where it's due, and bring your data story to life. There you go. That's how you create powerful, automated YouTube videos using data comparison, with zero on-camera work. Subscribe for more tutorials, turn on the bell so you don't miss the next one, drop a comment if you found this helpful. See you in the next video.